Hey YouTube, I was getting ready to do something out in the garage, but it's raining, and what I figured I would do instead is talk to you about some stuff that I am thinking about. So, I have a workshop that I put together over the last year and a half. So, a year ago I bought a CNC, and I've been messing around with that. I've been getting a little bit better at stuff, and I'm ready to go into a woodworking business. Really? Are you really gonna do that? So, over my workshop, I have tools that I've acquired over Facebook Marketplace, and I wanna call myself a DIY, is that right? DIY? DIY, do-it-yourself type person. I like to figure stuff out just like you probably do. And I have a cool dog. His name is Buddy. Buddy, where you at? Buddy. Buddy. See, he's camera shy. Like I said, should I go into a woodworking business? You know, I built that, right? You know, you probably don't know what that is. I don't even know if I know what it is. All right, so let's go take a tour around the shop and see what's going on in here. So I want to show you some of the stuff that I've picked up off of Marketplace. I got the planer. There's my dog. Buddy. Hey, buddy. Camera shy. So my planer, absolutely love it. DeWalt planer, you've probably seen them everywhere. I bought this from Virginia Beach. It had a joiner that was a porta cable on it. That is a Delta joiner that I picked up. Buddy, what are you hiding from? Absolutely love that joint. It's a 6-inch. It's an old one. I don't know, 1980s. Who knows? Toolboxes over there belong to my grandpa, and he passed away about 10 years ago. Left me some great toolboxes. Got a double garage. That's a project I'm working on. I'll make a video of. I'm actually in process. I'm gonna say halfway point right now. All right, so this desk that you see, you may not be able to tell it's a desk, but I took a desk from the thrift store and I actually put a table on it and an extension for, you may not be able to tell what this is, but this is a table saw made by Rigid. Bought the Rigid table saw, pretty much new, never used, off a lady on Facebook Marketplace. Another Facebook Marketplace, $150 purchase, which I got the blade off of it right now, is my bandsaw. Dust collection hoses, I just use a shop vac for most of my stuff. I have a dust collector for, there's my clamps in the background, I'm proud of my clamps. Dust collector that I just run most of the time on my CNC. And there's a project that you'll soon see on my YouTube. Computer stand, I made that off of kind of makeshift TV stand. So I keep my laptop on there so I can run my CNC. My CNC is a 32-inch capacity for, it's a Shapeoko 4. I think I'm saying that right. Tell me if I'm wrong, please. And let's see. Yeah, so I actually had that CNC a little bit longer than I thought. So, got my miter saw. I did get my miter saw new. I think it's one of the only new tools in here that I didn't get off of Marketplace. And got a bunch of routers and crap and stuff like that laying around. Air compressor. If you were to ask me what have I done without over the last several years, or really my lifetime, that I don't know how I was able to, you know, get work done with that. My air compressor, I just use my air compressor for everything. Do you? You have a tool that you use that you're wondering how in the world did you ever do without it? It's my air compressor and my planer and my Shapeoko CNC. I got a lot of them now, but my air compressor especially. And I went quite a few years without drinking coffee. I don't know how I did that. So like you, I got a lot of irons in the fire. I got a full-time job. I got a bunch of side projects. I got a big honey-do list that's never gonna get done. And let's live life. Let's build things. Let's have fun. Play with the dog. Hey, buddy, what you doing? Join me in my little workshop. I'm gonna put together some stuff for some customers. I'm in the process of building a dining room table. I wanna furnish some of my house with some of the stuff that I made with my own hands. And maybe start a woodworking business. We'll see how that goes. Right in my garage. I mean, goodness gracious. So join me, please. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let's get this ball rolling. All right, you know what I mean? Take care. See you soon.